All right, welcome to today's lesson. Today I'll be showing you the trick of entering into a wall. How to enter into a wall. So I will put you through on how to do the trick today. So first of all, as usual, what we usually use is CAPCUT. Here is the CAPCUT platform. For you to start the project, you click on New Project. And here on the new project, you have to select the video that you want to use. Let's say I want to use this one here. Then you allow it to preview to show you if that's what you really want. So this is the video we want to use. You click Add. You touch the Add button. It will bring you to the editing platform. Now, first of all, how you have to start this thing, you have to video yourself, position your camera, show video how when you are entering into the wall, and also as well a blank space, just like this video here. Let me show you what I mean by that, because this video is, you can see a young old woman walking into the wall. You know, she wants to vanish. Don't mind me. This is an old woman, but a young old woman. You can see when she hits the wall. So she's expecting the magic now to come out, the wall to crack for her to enter inside. As you can see how I did the video. Now I'm trying to go into the wall, but you see there is no magic. They just ordinary plain video that we use. So this is just for you to know how to do your capturing. You can decide to do it any way that is suitable for you, but they just for the purpose of this training today, I just make use of this one. So let's start the trick. So for us to begin with the trick, we need to do some splitting. Let's play the video again and try to get targets when she touched the wall, and you pick from there. Stop. You see, when she touched the wall, it's expected that the crack should come out from this place. So that's why I pause from this place. So what we do next is to bring in the crack. How do we do that? We go to overlay. Look for overlay from your toolbars here. Down there, you will see the overlay. You touch overlay, add overlay. It will take you to this section. Then you look for the crack, thunder cracking that you need. Usually a green screen. Let's use this green screen here. This thunder green screen. You can see how it is here. You click add. Now we have added the thunder green screen here. Now let's see, you can see that the green screen is blocking the entire video. So the next thing to do is to remove this green screen background. Okay, how do you remove it? You simply go to remove background, look for remove background, which is BG. You see it here. The BG has come out. You choose chroma key. Don't use any other one, but chroma key. You touch on the chroma key and just use your hand to move the chroma key. Okay, let's see how it goes, if we are seeing it or not. You see the magic that appear here now, but something is not right. The wall did not come out from where her hand starts. So what we need to do now is to rotate this crack by using your two fingers to rotate it from the screen. and then position the crack from where you want it to sit. Just as my own is moving now, you can position it anywhere you want the crack to be. You can increase or reduce it. You can see the way it's going. So from this way now, it's assumed that we want our crack to come from here. Okay, you can still go back to chroma key and adjust it more. You can see how the thing is adjusting the way you want, if you want it thicker or lighter, whichever one. Let's say this one is okay for me. You touch the shadow. This one is okay too. I think we are okay with this here. We are okay with this so that the green will not show at all. So if you are okay with this, you touch the accept button. That's the good sign there. So let's play and see how the thing is. Let's go back and play from here. You can see what happened here now. Do you see that the strike have applied, the effect have applied? Okay. As the effect applied, let's see if the woman enter, if the whole thing has finished. Let's see what happened when she goes inside now. Now you can see she's trying to move in. She's trying to move in now. Let's see what happened. She's trying to move in, but you can see that even when the crack is there, her body is still showing. So what we need to do, let me take off this symbol here, split, delete. So what we need to do, there's another trick we have to apply in this place. So after this, the next thing you need to do is to screenshot this screen. Screenshot this place for us to get the next step. Do your screenshot. Take a screenshot of your this way. Then you have to edit the screenshot. Okay, just hold on, let the screenshot come out. The screenshot is out now. You need to crop the screenshot, crop to get only the screen. But it's just the screen now that we need. You see the way I'm doing it? By holding your hand and drag. Okay, this is what we need. We just need this face. You save. You save. Okay, we are back to the where we are. So the next thing we have to do now is to bring in that screenshot that we did. You click on the overlay again. Go to photos. Yeah, these are screenshots. We'll bring this one in. This is a screenshot we just added. You add. Okay, we have added the screenshots. We have added the screenshot. So you have to be very careful to make sure that the screenshots and your screen are equal. You can increase it this way. Just make sure that they are equal. Okay, we are okay like this. So now let's play and see what happened. If there is any magic here. Let's allow her to go inside again and see if there is anything that happened here. You see, everywhere is freeze. Nothing is showing. So the next thing to do now is to edit this right part. This right part of the crack wall, the place that you want her to disappear into, the place you want her to walk into is the side that you will edit. The next thing is to decide which is this area now that I'm pointing for you, this area. So what we'll do here now is that we'll go back to remove background, look for remove background, and go to custom remover. Now, what we need inside this custom remover now is a brush. You pick your brush. You can decide to reduce the size of your brush or increase it from this particular size on the brush size. Now, you really trace this crack wall. Trace it gently so that you don't have to cross over to the right, to the left side. Remember, what we are wiping out here now is the right hand side of it. So you press your hand. You can notice the red symbol that is showing you where you are going. So you gently trace it carefully. Carefully trace the crack wall. Be very careful not to spoil the crack wall, because anywhere you go is where the trick will apply. Now, think we are okay with the crack wall. We've gotten the crack wall. There's still some space. You can see the preview of the crack wall there. Here, you can see the preview. Just follow the hand that I'm showing you. The hand will show you all the things I'm trying to explain here. So now you trace all this place. Remember, do not remove your hand until you are done. Until you are done with the tracing. Do not remove your hand. Keep painting the area that you want to hide. Keep painting the area. Don't remove your hand until you are done. Keep painting the area that you want to hide. Just the way I am doing it. Just the way I am doing it. I have not removed my hand, because if I remove it, you may destroy what you just did and start afresh. Now you can see the red parts. You can see the area that we hide. Now this is where the magic is coming in. We have used brush to cover up this area to make it invisible when the woman enter into the wall. Okay, now I release my hand, and you notice this place is saying applying remover, background removed. You see that? Now the next thing you do is to accept the option. Now let's see what happened here. Now let her go inside. Let's play it and see what happened. Do you notice the trick? You can see that she's now hidden. There's something happened here. So what we need to do here now, we need to expand this frame. Expand this clip, because you can see once the clip ends, everything have disappeared again, and we are still seeing her. So what we need to do is to expand this last clip, which is the screenshot clip. Remember, we expand it to the end of the video. We expand it to the end of the video. So let's see what happened again. Let her go inside and let's see our trick. You can see she's still going. You see that she has entered into the wall. So this is just the trick. This is where the trick is. So after, when you are done with everything, you can see it now. If you are done and you are okay with this, you can cut off the excess parts that in your video by select the, just select this, break this one, split to remove the excess parts that you don't need. As well, delete this logo. We'll delete all these ones here. We'll delete this one too. Split and delete. Split and delete. So let's see all that we did. If our trick applied very well, we click this when she was walking in. Please, if you have not subscribed with us, please do well to do so. Do well to do so, and also comment and press the like button so that they'll be able to recommend us to other people. Well, I promise you will be dropping more tricks for you every day. So please do this for us by sharing it for us. Follow us, comment, and recommend us as well. Thank you. If you have any comment or you have any question regarding these lessons today, please do well to send it in the comment section. See you on the next video. Bye. So when we are done, please, I can see what we did here. Everything is okay.